So welcome back, guys, and today I'm gonna show you 3 ways that you might have not realized you can use your Dyson Airwrap in. And yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory, it's really easy, and it's actually maybe a little bit silly, but I thought I'd mention it in this video. So if you want to watch that and find out what those 3 things are, keep on watching. So I've went ahead and I've put some heat protectant and some mousse in my hair. I kind of just want to get a little bit more hold with these styles that I'm going to be showing you. So let's get right to number 1. So number 1, the first way I have that you can use the Dyson Airwrap is you can grab a piece of hair, right? This is just for the example, and then you don't have to always just hold it this upright form. You can actually turn it upside down, and as long as it's facing the way you want it to curl, you basically, what you'll do is before you turn it on, just wrap the hair around the barrel like that, and then you just turn it on and then curl like normal. And then when you release it, you'll have a nice like little wave. So I think this is a cool and different way to style your hair with the Dyson Airwrap. So let me just do this one real quick. And I will have to say that the reason probably why a lot of people don't do this is because you're holding it there, like your fingers are so close. It does get pretty hot if you have it in the highest heating settings. So just keep that in mind. And then when we release, look how cute that is. You have a really nice curl. And sometimes honestly might come out better than just letting it self-wrap. So yeah, look at that. How cute is that? And by the way, my hair was damp. But yeah. Number 2 is something as silly as similar to what number 1 was. What you do is you don't have to wait to have it self-wrap. You can actually wrap it yourself. So in this example, I'm gonna have it upright, and then I'm just going to wrap the hair. So I'm just gonna do it in the other direction just for purposes of showing you guys. But I would normally I like my hair, my curls to go facing out, like facing away from my face, but this one will be facing in. What I will do is I'll turn it on and then I'll wrap the hair like that, or you can wrap it first and then turn it on, however you prefer. Okay, and then we release. And look how different that is compared to this number 1, and they both were self-wrap. You were manually wrapping it. So this one gives you a little bit more of a looser like wave. I don't know if you can see it, but maybe if I hold it here, you can see it kind of gives you a more bouncy like wave. You can see it there, maybe there you can see it a little bit better. So yeah, so it all depends on like what kind of hairstyle you're going for. So if you're going more boho chic, maybe this is something up your alley as opposed to this real big curl. Okay, and then number 3 is using our round brush, and it's simply basically curling your hair with the round brush instead of, or not even curling, I guess you could say, just giving it that same barrel effect as if you were to let it self air wrap, the same effect, but you're just using the volumizing brush instead. So I'm just gonna take one section of my hair, and yes, today I parted my hair to the side, and let me just comb this out of the way. And this is like dampish hair, but I think this part dried, so usually it'll be damp. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush it out like this first, and then what I'm going to do is I'll brush it out, but before I get to the very end of the brush, when it very end of the hair, when it starts releasing from the brush, I'm just going to start what is it called, wrapping it into the brush, and then we're gonna hold it there for a few seconds and then hit it with the cool shot, and then we'll release it, and then I'll show you how that looks. Okay, And then now we're gonna unravel it, and it's gonna feel like you're unraveling like a Velcro attachment of some sort. But don't worry, it's safe to say it works. And then I'm just gonna grab a brush and just brush it out real quick. Okay, and then this is what you get. So it gives you some volume. If I would have left it there a little bit longer, it would have given me more volume up top. But yeah, it just gives me a nice little swoop. So it's nice for like you want to do a little vintage look or something of that sort. It's really cute, especially for a side part like this. Like I told you, it could potentially be even a little silly, the 3 ways that I'm mentioning, but I thought I'd mention them in case you didn't know, and you didn't know you could get different little hairstyles out of the tools you already have. So I hope you found it a little bit helpful, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and please like, comment, and of course subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep doing more videos. I know I keep bombarding the channel with Dyson videos, but I'm just kind of, you know, seeing that a lot of people are reacting more to those, so that's why. But yeah, give me more ideas if you'd like to see something different. I would be more than willing to make another video in regards to something else, and see you on the next video. Bye.